What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are going to talk about these CMF buds. Well, CMF buds comes in 3 different colors and I have bought all the 3 different colors. If you're subscribed to this channel, if you have watched my other videos, then you may already know I have a thing for this orange type of color. And yeah, definitely this one is for me and I'm going to give away these to CMF buds. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will talk about the features and performance of these CMF buds. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Every time I say this, I feel, well, I'm repeating myself in almost all the videos. Outlook and appearance is subjective, so yeah, there is no design that everybody would like. Well, personally, I like the design language of these CMF buds. The charging case, the earbuds, everything looks so elegant. Yeah, even if this set of earbuds belongs to the budget league, but it looks like premium earbuds and in hand also feels premium. It has its own unique design language. And yeah, the lanyard loop design is even so very unique. Yeah, I care about 3 things of a charging case: how easy it is to take out the earbuds and how easy it is to put back the earbuds. As it is an open design, it's really very easy to take out the earbuds and it's even easier to put back the earbuds because there are some nice magnets integrated inside the charging case. Even if the top lid is open, the earbuds are not going anywhere. Talking about the top lid is connected to the main body of the charging case with a very good hinge. At the beginning, I was a bit worried because it feels like the hinge is a small one, so I was thinking maybe there is no locking mechanism. But okay, yeah, CMF Buds charging case comes with a very good hinge and yeah, there is a very good locking mechanism. Okay, from the charging case to the earbuds. Yeah, the build quality of the earbuds are also very good. It's smooth, all the curves and cutouts are precisely designed and manufactured, so I haven't noticed any rough edges or any uncomfortable feelings. Okay, whenever I review a set of in-ear earbuds, if the earbuds comes with a set of ear tips, I always mention this. A set of ear tips are the second most important part of a set of earbuds because whenever we are gonna put the earbuds inside our ear, the ear tips are gonna get in contact with our skin inside our ear groove, and that's really a very important thing. If the ear tips aren't that soft, then well, we will have uncomfortable feelings. If the ear tips are too soft, then there won't be a very good seal, so well, noise cancellation will get affected. And if the ear tips are not manufactured with skin friendly materials, then it will generate fatigue and we won't feel comfortable. As I've tested more than 200 different earbuds and more than half of those actually belongs to the budget league, well, I know about the ear tips quality of budget earbuds. And after testing these CMF buds, I can say without any hesitation that yeah, CMF by nothing, it's not only wonderful by design, they definitely have used something skin friendly, something very good to manufacture these ear tips. Rather, it's more comfortable than many of the other budget earbuds and at the same time also helps to get a very good tight seal inside the ear. Well, that's a good start. I'm not gonna talk about the design language of the earbuds because companies tries to do different things to make their product unique and fashionable. I think these CMF earbuds are really better than any other generic budget or mid-range earbuds. I prefer this design and I also like the touch responsive button placement on the earbuds, but yeah, it varies person to person. Okay, when I have bought these, I have noticed that CMF claims that these earbuds can offer up to 42 decibel of noise cancellation. Not only that, it is clearly written on their website, high definition sound powered by Dirac. So well, I have used these earbuds for hours after hours to test the sound quality side by side with many other budget and mid-range earbuds. I think the 12.4mm biofiber driver with copper coil actually works very good. Yeah, the sound quality is even better than many other mid-range earbuds, which costs around $50 to $150 US. I think the engineers of CMF have managed to get the best out of these earbuds by doing the best tuning, by optimizing the algorithm. And yeah, that optimization by Dirac, that actually makes a big difference. We'll definitely talk about that in a minute. I think there is one segment where most of the other budget earbuds fails, that is to reproduce low frequency with perfection. As CMF Buds comes with this Ultra Bass 2.0, personally I'm satisfied with the low frequency. And here comes the second thing. Most of the other earbuds which can reproduce similar quality of bass fails to reproduce high frequency sound. And when it comes to separation between low, mid, and high frequency sound, it's very difficult to find a set of earbuds within $50 which can reproduce low, mids, and highs with perfection and at the same time has very good separation. So when I have started using CMF buds, I was like, can it be true? Is it for real? Yeah, it's for real. These tiny little cheap monsters offers a very good sound quality, especially the separation between all the different high frequencies which are used by different instruments in different genre. It's really crazily good. It's not only better than its competitors, it's even comparable to the earbuds beyond its segment. So I'm gonna give CMF earbuds 10 out of 10 for sound quality, 8.5 out of 10 for build quality, and 9.5 out of 10 for outlook and appearance. But these earbuds are marketed as one of the best noise cancellation earbuds. What about noise cancellation? Before we talk about that, let's talk about pairing and the application. Okay, there is this application Nothing X. You will need to download this application on your smartphone. It doesn't matter whether you are using an Android or an iPhone. The application is available on both the Apple and Android world. After you open the application, what you have to do is to press on Pair New Device and then open the top lid of your CMF Buds. Bang! Your phone will find the device and then follow the on-screen guidance to go through the pairing process. Once the buds are paired, you will be able to check battery status, select your equalizer, you can even customize the tap controls, you can also select your noise cancellation mode, you can enable or disable ultra bass, you can select the ultra bass level, and many other things. Personally, I recommend that after you have paired the CMF buds with your smartphone for the first time, go ahead, check the firmware update. If there is any firmware update available, first update the earbuds and then start using it. Yeah, inside the settings menu, we can enable or disable in-ear detection, low lag mode, which actually minimizes latency for an improved gaming experience. We can also enable dual connection, and yeah, there is this Find My Earbuds option where we can play a sound on our earbuds to easily find the earbuds. After everything, all the setup is done, then you can play with the equalizer option. Personally, I prefer this Dirac optimized equalizer because I believe after testing all the different equalizer options in Dirac optimized equalizer, CMF Buds offers the best sound quality. But it depends on you. Different people have different type of sound preferences, and yeah, it's very nice to see that even if it is a set of budget earbuds, there is a custom equalizer option. We can play with that and set as per our requirement and preference. Yeah, these earbuds comes with touch sensitive buttons, so we can double tap, triple tap, double tap and hold, or tap and hold to do a lot of things like skip forward, skip backward, play pause, increase volume, decrease volume, receive a phone call, decline a phone call, hang up a phone call, and many other things. I'm not gonna turn this video into a tutorial. It's a very easy thing, just follow the on-screen guidance and you'll be able to set these controls as per your requirements. What I care about is noise cancellation. Yeah, there are 3 different modes. Number 1, gone, that is off. There is transparency mode and noise cancellation mode. Unfortunately, there is only one level of noise cancellation. We cannot select the level of noise cancellation, but well, the important thing is it works. Noise cancellation is definitely better than most of the other earbuds available within $50 price tag. More importantly, I have tried CMF earbuds in many different environments and I have never regretted. Because I have many other flagship earbuds, I have never felt like I'm missing the features of those flagship earbuds. These CMF earbuds have performed very well. Moreover, as each of the earbuds are equipped with 2 high-definition microphones, call quality is also very good. When I have made phone calls and received phone calls, the other party has noticed the difference. Okay, that means another 10 out of 10, this time for very good noise cancellation, and CMF Buds also gets another 10 out of 10 that's for battery life. When the CMF buds are 100% recharged, each of the buds offers up to 8 hours of listening time. I mean, with ANC off and with ANC on, that goes down to 5.6 hours, which is way better than most of the other earbuds. With the charging case, that will go up to 35 hours when the ANC is off and 24 hours when the ANC is on. Well, once the battery is drained to zero, but we need to use the earbuds, we can only recharge it for 10 minutes to get 2.2 hours of listening time, and that will skyrocket up to 6.5 hours with the charging case. Among other features, CMF Buds are IP54 rated, so yeah, it has very good dust and water ingress protection, and as it supports Bluetooth 5.3, it covers a very good distance. Okay, that's all about these CMF Buds. I think considering the price tag of $39 US, these CMF Buds are one of the best among all the budget earbuds available on the market. What do you think? Do you agree with me? Or are you gonna disagree? Well, don't forget to make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas about these CMF Buds. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.